After solving the second layer, the next step is to make a yellow cross. This is the fifth step. To make the yellow cross, you will be having four different cases. Either you will be having only the yellow center, ignore the corners. If only you have the yellow center, that is the dot case. If you have two edges which is adjacent like this, which shapes like an L, this is an L shape. If you hold it from this angle, this will be look like a 9 o'clock. Another case is this case where two edges will be next to each other to the center, that is called as the line case. And the fourth case will be cross will be solved. Here for the line case, what you have to do, keep one edge in your left and one edge in your right, do front clockwise, magic move, now front anti-clockwise. Now you can see the cross is done. For this L case or the 9 o'clock case, you have to keep the edges in the 9 o'clock shape and do an F, that is the front clockwise, and magic move ties. And front anti-clockwise. Here, if you ignore the corners, the cross is done. For this dot case, from any angle, just do the front clockwise, magic move, front anti-clockwise, and now you got this L case. Do a U2, keep it in 9 o'clock, and same, do front clockwise, magic move twice, front anti-clockwise. Now the cross is done. The sixth step after solving the yellow cross is to solve the edges in the correct spot. The cross has to match with the respective centers. For that, you have to check how many centers are matching with the edges. Just try to turn the top layer and check. At least you should have two edges that will match. If I turn again, I can see I have a blue edge and a green edge which is matching opposites. And we need an ideal case like this where the edge should be matching either in your right and in the back. So keep it in your right and the back, like the edges should be matching next to each other. Keep right and the back, and you have to do the fish algorithm, that is right side up, top this way, right side down, top again that way, right side up. Now turn the top 2 times, right side down. Now if I turn and check, I will get all the 4 edges matched. If the opposite edges are matching from any angle, do the fish algorithm, right side up, top this way, right side down, top again this way, right side up, top 2 times, right side down. Now if I check the cube, I will be getting 2 edges matching next to each other. I will keep one in my right and one in the back and do this. Right side up, top this way, right side down, top this way, right side up, top 2 times, right side down. Now all the 4 edges are matching.